We're driving from Helensburgh back into Sydney. And over there, what you can't see is the ocean. We're going to sharp bend. Yes, I'm riding on a bus which is replacing the train. So I thought, quick, let's grab the camera. So from Helensburgh, going back to Waterfall. This is what this looks like. Just Australian bush. And factories and prestige cars and power lines and probably wallabies. And all of a sudden, we'll pop into a town. That's how it works over here in Australia. Just pop, boom, you're in the town. Bush stops, houses start. There's the motorway over there. Probably just seen those two cars. Yeah, you weren't hallucinating. That's the motorway from Wollongong to Waterfall. That's where we're going now. The motorway's right there behind those trees. .80 kilometres, eh? So there's a car coming up the motorway. We're on a back road because Helensburgh is not on the main motorway. Helensburgh is up in the mountains, and then from the mountains you've got to come back over to the motorway. And so you come around the old roads, about 200 years old. So you can see the sandstone where they cut it out many years ago. Yeah, there's the motorway. See? Ta-da! And yes, we drive on the left side of the road. And look, there's cars over there on the other side of the motorway. They're going south. Here they come. It is the Easter weekend, 2025. FJ40. See, waterfall. How's this for a turn down a dark street? Hey? Down a hill, round a block, here we go. And then we go back up a big hill, right way up the hill. Look at the hill, see? At a 45-degree angle. And then we go back over the freeway bridge and the old highway bridge. So, here it comes. Beautiful waterfall, see? There's the old highway down there. There's a car there going down. And here's a railway station where there's no trains, it's all buses. So we go in this gate here, the Royal National Park, Uloola Park, U-L-O-O-L-A. These other buses parked here. Oh, the government's paid for hundreds of buses. And it's getting off, so then we keep going. And And they're all Indians. And Chinese. And a fold up arm too. And a bit of Caucasian. No trains. No people. Isn't that cool? That's now where we're going to go. We go up here and turn. What are we going to do? I think we're going to turn. Let's see which. Oh, look, there's the west. We're turning right. Okay, so we go on the on-ramp. Now, York Caravan. Very old name here in Australia. Yes, we have tennis courts, we have volleyball courts, we have cricket, we have soccer, we have rugby, we have everything. See, big sign there says Sydney. And back up another 35-degree angle hill. Very pretty houses down here. There's Waterfall Railway. There's the big bridge we just went over. That's a walkover bridge. And the road bridge is the one right up there. And the sun's going down. Yes, this is the traffic from Bateman's Bay, Wollongong, Nowra, Kiama. All this is coming from the south coast. They've got to get to here before they can branch off. Well, there is one other road that's down the south at Wollongong, and that takes you directly west. But this is going north. Well, there we go, spin around. And that red train over there is the new train they brought out, which is 5 years old and still is only just being let to run on the tracks. There's a lot of railway strikes and union bands, because it was made in Korea. Yes, it was Korean. Oh. Anyway, that'll do. That's me, hominoid. Enjoy the trip. Not much here to see. It's buses and traffic. Same old thing. We've all seen trees, we've all seen roads. No car crashes on camera. There's the railway lines. See you later from Hominoid. Bye.